Hi everyone, welcome back. See, in this video, I'm going to explain about pointer to function concept. See, how can we create pointer to function? A very important one. Whenever you are creating the pointer to the function, you need to specify what is the prototype of the function. Suppose, here, I'm just writing the main function, main. Okay, now two more functions we are writing. So what are the two more functions? One is a add function, add. It is returning that integer value, or simple way, it is not returning anything. Just it is taking two integer values and it will add %d is a plus b. Next one, here one more we are taking is a subtract. Subtract int a comma int b. Same here it is a printf %d a minus b is a subtraction it will do. How can we write the prototypes? Before the main void add, it is taking two integer values. Void subtract taking the two integer values. It is taking like this. Normally, how can we call these two functions? As we know that simply add of 5 comma 3. Then 5 will come and store into this a, 3 will come and store into this b, and it will add, output will be 8. Now, here we are writing that subtract. That second function we are calling subtract 5 comma 3. Then values will come and store into a and b. It's a minus b, value is a 2. But now how can we add a pointer? Pointer variable you need to declare like normal variables. Here, any name you can give, but you need to represent like this. Pointer ptr. Pointer ptr. Remember. Next, this is like a functional pointer. What is the return type of the function? That you have to mention here. Next, how many arguments it is taking? That you need to mention here. Integer and integer. A functional pointer is completely depends on the prototype of the function. See here, function is taking two integers, so you need to specify here. And it is returning void, you need to specify here. Now, we are creating the variable. So into the ptr, into the pointer variable, you can assign the address of add. Then what is its meaning? This ptr is pointing to this add method, add function. So if you call ptr of 13 comma 7, this ptr is pointing to this add, because into this ptr you are storing that address of add. So it pointing to this one. Now observe, into this ptr you are assigning that address of subtract. Then the same pointer variable is start pointing to this one. So now again whenever you are calling ptr 13 comma 7, observe this. Here two different names we are providing. But here it is the same name ptr and ptr. But first time ptr is pointing to this add. Second time this ptr is pointing to subtract. Because first time we are assigning the address of add. Second time we are assigning the address of subtract. This is the simple way of creating pointer to the function. But that pointer declaration is completely depends on the prototype of the function. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.